Whooping cough is an acute respiratory disease that is caused by the bacterium Bordetella Pertussis. Symptoms include severe coughing fits with a characteristic whooping sound followed by vomiting. Whooping cough is highly contagious. It can be spread by airborne droplets containing the bacteria, which are expelled during coughing or sneezing. The bacterial droplets can then be ingested by another person, spreading the infection. The bacteria infect the airways and damage epithelial cells. Some epithelial cells have brush-like cilia that beat in a coordinated fashion. Other epithelial cells, called goblet cells, produce mucus. The mucus forms a blanket over the tips of the cilia. It traps dust, pollen, and microbes. The cilia mechanically remove this debris by brushing it up and out of the airways. The pertussis bacteria infiltrate this barrier and attach to the cilia. The bacteria secrete toxins into the area. The toxins spread through the airways, causing the goblet cells and ciliated cells to rupture and die. The bacterial toxins also stimulate the goblet cells to release nitric oxide. This released nitric oxide also damages the cilia, causing them to break. The nitric oxide also causes extrusion, so some of the ciliated cells are forced out of the epithelium. The combination of these effects leads to significant epithelial damage and cilia with confused motion. This hinders the ability to mechanically remove mucus and debris. Mucus is not removed and builds up in the airways. The body attempts to rid itself of this build-up by causing a violent coughing fit. Bacteria containing droplets are released and may infect a new host, beginning the cycle again. Vaccination against diseases such as whooping cough is important for all of us to protect us from the disease itself. It is also important to protect others, such as newborns, who cannot be vaccinated until 2 months of age, or those such as the immunocompromised, who cannot tolerate vaccination.